This Chevrolet Traverse boasts a gas V6 3.6-liter/217 engine powering this automatic transmission. True North Edition includes UI6, Chevrolet MyLink radio, UG1, Universal Home Remote, VQR, Cargo Convenience Package, LPO, PDH, Interior Protection Package, LPO, QQD, P255/55R20H rated Blackwall tires, PJG, 4-20x 7.5, 50.8 cm by 19.1 cm, painted aluminum wheels and NB7, variable effort power steering, transmission, 6-speed automatic, STD, sunroof, dual SKYSCAPE 2-panel power with tilt sliding front and fixed rear with sunscreen. This Chevrolet Traverse features the following options: LPO. Hit the road package includes the following dealer-installed options: VQM, Chrome Assist Steps, LPO and S49, Roof Rack Longitudinal C-channels and cross rails, LPO. Cargo Convenience Package includes the following dealer-installed options: Cargo Net and Cargo Area Shade Cover, Seating, 8-passenger, 2-3-3 seating configuration, with second and third row 60/40 split flat folding bench seat, STD. LT Preferred Equipment Group includes standard equipment, LPO, Roof Rack Longitudinal C-channels and cross rails, LPO, Chrome Assist Steps, LPO, All-Weather Rear Cargo Mat, LPO, All-Weather Floor Mats, third row, LPO, All-Weather Floor Mats, first and second row, Engine, 3.6-liter CDV6, 281 horsepower, 210 kilowatts, at 6,300 revolutions per minute, 266 pounds-to-foot of torque at 3,400 revolutions per minute, 359.1 Nm, STD. Visit us today. Come in for a quick visit of Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 to claim your Chevrolet Traverse.